Hello, and welcome to part 3 of this Intro to Meditation class. Today we'll be talking about self-guided meditation. And in the last class I introduced you to a guided meditation, a very short one, but you can find lots of other guided meditations online. I've got some on my website. I'll be uploading some more soon, but there's tons of resources out there for it, and it's a really helpful way to meditate and just get out of your headspace. But something that I really got into, especially at the beginning of meditation, was self-guided meditation. And this is a space where you relax yourself and you take yourself to another place and you can work on any issues or thoughts that arise. And you don't even have to have a specific task in mind to just go into this space. I mean, you could just go to a place in nature and go for a swim if that's what you were craving. And so today I will teach you the beginning of how I would get myself into this state, and from there, you can let your imagination just take over. So we'll start by sitting in a comfortable position. If you want to lay down, you can go ahead and do that, but if you have a tendency to fall asleep, I recommend you sit on a chair or sit on a cushion like I am doing. Keep your hands, palms faced up. It helps your mind not wander, but be able to go into more the imagination realm. So just take a deep breath, closing your eyes. And as you exhale, begin to relax your body. Letting go of any tension on your toes and feet. Moving up the legs, relaxing the calves, the knees, the quads. Taking another deep breath and letting your hips and your pelvis relax. Releasing any tension you might be holding in your lower back. Moving up to your stomach and your ribs. Feeling this relaxation throughout your body as you move up to your chest and your upper back. Letting go of any tension in your shoulders and in your arms, all the way down your hands and your fingertips. Relaxing your neck, your jaw, your mouth, muscles on your face, and letting go of any tension all the way to the top of your head. Now envisioning a wave rolling through your body with your breath as you inhale and exhale. Further releasing any tension that might be left anywhere. Now begin to imagine a space in nature where you're comfortable and happy. And in this space, looking at your feet firmly planted on the ground. Wiggling your toes, feeling the earth beneath you, knowing you're supported. Slowly starting to take your gaze up and around you. Noticing any wildlife, any plant life, if there's any water around. Maybe a bird flies by. Noticing if there's any flowers. Taking a deep breath, filling your lungs with clean, fresh air. Noticing the temperature and knowing that you're prepared for any weather. Looking up at the sky, noticing if there's any clouds, the time of day it is. I'm feeling completely at ease. Now looking around you, find an object, be it a leaf or a pebble, anything, and just holding it between your fingers, turning it around as it further grounds you into this space in nature, this space that you are creating. Anytime you feel your mind wandering, feel this item between your fingers again and let it bring you back to your special place. Now taking a walk down a path, it will lead you to this structure. And this structure is something that you create for yourself. We'll call it our sanctuary or creative space. As you get closer, you start noticing the door, paying attention to how it's made, the materials. Are there any decorations? Or is it a doorknob instead of a handle? Reach your hand out and open this door. When you walk into your sanctuary, what does it look like? You can create it any way you want. This is a space that can expand and evolve before your eyes. It could have a library. It could have a fireplace. Take a minute to decorate it and add whatever you would like into this space, which is purely your own. Now finding a comfortable place to sit at, get a piece of paper and a pen and write down the 3 things that worry you the most at this moment in your life. Now look at the piece of paper and read it carefully. And you'll notice that on your left side, there's a candle and a match. Light this candle up and burn the piece of paper that has your 3 worries. Watch it as it becomes smoke, and this smoke flies out the window or the door. You're releasing it and letting the universe take these worries. Now go to a sitting area if you haven't created it yet. Go ahead and put the nicest, softest cushions and couches that you can imagine. A cozy place where you feel loved and important. Now in front of that, there's a platter with either tea or coffee or hot chocolate, whichever you desire. And sitting down, pour out 2 of these cups. And turn behind you. There will be someone who loves you unconditionally, joining you for this cup of coffee or tea, and just sharing your safe space with you. Invite them to sit next to you and enjoy your time together. Know that you can call upon any friends or loved ones whenever you need. This is a space where you can create love, gather information, and find peace. You'll have another minute with this loved one. Thank them for coming. Now, taking one last look at the space around you, breathing in the feelings that being in this space gives you, the possibilities of what you can create, who you can invite in, and what you can accomplish. Thank yourself for allowing yourself to create this space. And as you walk out into nature again, closing the door behind you, knowing this space will be here for you whenever you need it. Taking another deep breath of this fresh outdoor air. Feeling your lungs, letting your inner fire and happiness glow. Feeling free and fulfilled. Now take another deep breath, bringing sensation back into your toes and your fingertips. Moving your feet, your hands, letting your body sway back and forth. And slowly blinking your eyes open. How do you feel? Now, it might be a lot to take in, and it could take a couple of tries for you to feel comfortable doing this. Play this video as many times if you'd like, and if you want me to expand on this and help you create this safe and creative space with you, shoot me an email or a text, and I'm happy to add more videos to go on to this. But I'm hoping that this intro to meditation will help you find the type of meditation that's right for you at this moment. So just to recap on it, we worked on silent meditation, mantra meditation, breathwork meditation, guided meditation, and now self-guided meditation. I know I've used different ones of these in different times in my life, and I hope they help you. Send me a message. I'm happy to help, and sending love to everyone. Aloha.